How to fix an iPhone that turns off automatically and won't turn back on. If your iPhone switches off on its own and doesn't power back up, here's what you can do to fix it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. If this doesn't solve the problem, open the Settings app and tap Battery. Scroll down and select Battery Health to see if it's above 80%. If it's below 80%, your iPhone may experience random shutdowns, charging issues, or performance drops. If your battery health is fine and the issue continues, open the Settings app again, scroll down, and tap General. Tap Software Update and install the latest iOS version, as an older update bug could be causing the problem. Updating your software may resolve the issue right away.